So what is ta'awuz?
A'udhu billahi
Yeah.
minash shaitanir rajim.
Okay, read slowly and loudly. Beautifully. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Like this.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim.
MashaAllah, very beautiful. Next.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Ha must be prominent as we read, the ha is sharp. And from where does the ha produce?
The part of the middle throat.
Yeah, MashaAllah. So which sound ha has? This sound. Ha. Okay? Ha.
Ah,
Ha. Ha. This sound.
ah,
Ha. Ha.
ah.
Ha. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Read it.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
MashaAllah. Very well. Okay, start reading from this letter.
Alif.
Good.
Ba.
Read slowly and loudly, okay? Like alif, ba, and then carry on, huh? Like this.
Ba. Da. Da. Jim. Ha. Ka.
Kho, kho,
Da.
kho.
Ga.
Hmm.
Ga.
So kho is light letter or soft?
Heavy letter.
Heavy letter. Very well. Kho is heavy letter. So which sound kho has?
O.
O sound. Okay, like awesome. O sound kho has. There's O sound in kho. Huh. Okay, next.
Dal.
Next. Very well.
Dal.
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 Okay, tell me the position of the tongue, where we touch our tongue.
Of our teeth.
Edge of our rabbit teeth. Okay, upper two teeth. Okay, we can call them rabbit teeth. Okay. Dal.
Okay.
The tip of the tongue should touch at the edge of our rabbit teeth. Dal. Gently and softly. Okay. These are soft letters in the poem.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, now what is next?
Ra.
Raw.
Ra.
Yeah, okay, next.
Zal.
Huh?
Za.
Za. Whistling sound. Apply force. Apply force. Za. Za.
Za.
Do gap between your upper and lower teeth and read it. Za. Za.
Za.
Za.
Za.
This is the thing I want. Yeah, this is the correct pronunciation. Okay, what is next?
Seen.
Seen. Whistling sound. Okay, good. Next.
Sheen.
Sheen, not Sheem, it is Sheen. I said to you, bro. SHEEN, not M. Sheen.
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 Okay. Next. What is this? Do you know? Sod. Sod. Okay, now I will show you how to pronounce it properly, okay? Okay, this is the...
Okay.
So, the thing is that this is the side of the mouth. Okay, this is the side of our mouth. Okay? This is the side of our mouth. As you know, these are the lower front two teeth. Okay? These are lower front two teeth.